Vicious, cute, fuzzy and fluffy, angry and huffy. Those 10 mysterious animals that have rarely been seen are nothing like your neighbor's loud parrot Rio. Remember Lassie, the rough collie who walked thousands of miles home? They are not like Lassie either. Those mind-bogglers stay out of the spotlight. Stick with me to learn about them. Now let's dive into number 10. Sun bears. Standing about 28 inches at the shoulder and weighing up to 60 kilos, sun bears are the smallest bear on the planet. Keep an eye out for the orange to cream-colored chest patch. That's where they get their name from. And although they are not called tree bears, they just love climbing trees. With their inward-turned feet, flattened chest, powerful limbs, and very, very large claws, they dominate the Southeast Asian heights. The forest belongs to sun bears. Number 9. Collared lizards. While some animals like being high, others are more down to earth. Meet the collared lizard. This bipedal running carnivore shows off with bands of black around the neck and shoulders that look like a collar. Its blue-green body and yellow stripes on the back and tail add to the extravaganza, so that there's not much doubt as to where this desert dweller is from. Mexico, of course, and the southwestern United States. There, in the loneliness of the bear, it preys on smaller lizards and insects, making friends only with rodents and cacti. Number 8. Honduran White Bats. Do you like sleepovers? The Honduran White Bats all snuggle and sleep together. The so-called Caribbean white tent-making bats construct tents out of the understory plant leaves by strategically cutting the leaf ribs with their teeth. It's cozy and comfortable, spending the days away all bundled in like that. Their fur is bright white, and they feed on, no, not blood, but figs. Costa Rica, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama, only the evergreen forests of Central America can accommodate their specific roosting and dietary requirements. Number 7. The Monkey-Eating Eagle. This eagle is every monkey's worst nightmare, but it doesn't only feed on monkeys as its name suggests. The also called Philippine eagle is the biggest bird in the world and can pick on just about any prey it considers worthy. But although it's the apex predator in its environment, it is a critically endangered species. With high levels of deforestation throughout most of its range have caused this national bird of the Philippines to lose most of its natural habitat. Killing one is punishable under Philippine law by up to 12 years in prison. But maybe it's the eagle's life expectancy that makes it so unique. 60 years of life is a long time for a wild animal, and the captive ones live even longer. Number 6. Immortal Jellyfish. Here is another animal that ages well, the immortal jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right. This jellyfish is biologically immortal. After becoming sexually mature, the medusa can revert to their polyp stage, which alters the state of their cells, literally transforming them into new types of cells. Theoretically, this process can go on indefinitely, making the jellyfish biologically immortal, so that after millennia of searching we have finally stumbled upon the fountain of youth. Not quite, but the endless lifespan of the T. dohrnii indeed makes it an important target for biological, aging, and pharmaceutical research. Number 5. Siberian Tiger. You have probably heard of this one before, but hearing about it doesn't make it any less exotic or rare. Yes, as of 2015, only about 560 individuals were estimated to range in the Russian Far East. Sounds like a large number, but it's not. The Amur tiger, as it's also called, is genetically very close to the Caspian tiger, and the Caspian tiger is extinct as of 2003. So naturally, those traveling nomads are well protected by strict Russian and Chinese laws. The government has banned domestic trade as well as taken enforcement measures to put an end to tiger farming. Good job! Number 4. Ceola. There's a reason why the Ceola is called the Asian unicorn. It is one of the rarest animals in the world. The species was first reported in 1992, and a living wild Ceola was first photographed in 1993 and last photographed in 2013. And from then on, no one knows. They have been kept in captivity multiple times, but due to their fragile and wild nature, they have died from unknown causes in a matter of weeks. If you ever get lucky enough to spot one, you'll recognize it by its chocolate brown coat with patches of white on its face and neck and a pair of nearly parallel horns. They live in the evergreen forests of Southeast Asia, so you might want to bring your raincoat. Number 3. Elephant shrew. The journey now takes us thousands of miles west, or east, to the southern part of Africa. There, in boulder-strewn outcrops as well as thick forests, run around the fastest small mammals in the world. With trunks of an elephant and a resemblance to shrews, yes, you have guessed it, elephant shrews. The insect eaters vary in size from about 4 to 12 inches, have large canine teeth, and a large brain. And although they are far from being extinct, they went unobserved for more than 50 years. Their disappearance must have caused headaches to well-meaning scientists. Focused on statistics on powerful pieces of evidence, they must know at all times what goes on in the forest. The jumping shrews were eventually rediscovered in Djibouti in 2020. Number 2. Bedlinting Terrier. We have mentioned Lassie, but now let us introduce you to Sassy. Just kidding, Sassy is not its name, but the Bedlinting Terrier is a very versatile and contradictory dog. It's got powerful swimming skills, high endurance, loves snow, and even uses its nose as a plow in deep powder, all while looking like a lamb. I mean, look at it, who wouldn't want to have one? He looks like a teddy bear I had when I was a little kid, only my teddy bear was more angry and vicious than this goofball. Number 1. Sand Dune Cat. Did you know that cats live in deserts too? Meet the sand dune cat. Found in Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, and the Middle East, this little kitty ranges from 15 to 20 inches and is by far the cutest thing you have ever laid your eyes on. But don't be fooled by the innocent look. Behind those adorable greenish-yellow eyes is a deadly predator who feeds on rodents, lark, sandfish, and even vipers. Sometimes it will even creep up into the camp at night and drink the fresh camel milk out of the pot next to the tent. Nevertheless, cats are lovely creatures, even more if they steal some milk from us sometimes. Which animal was your favorite? Comment down below and let us know. Also, check out our videos on the left and right side of your screen. See ya!